our today topic is water and sustainability. So I feel water is like Wi-Fi, and we realize its value when it's not in use. So no water, no tea, no Maggie. That's carrier than no internet.
True. And every summer in India, water tankers comes like Bollywood heroes. Everyone run behind them. That clearly shows us how precious water is.
Yes. And while running behind tankers, we forget we are the ones wasting it daily. Leaving taps open, using buckets like swimming pools, and treating rivers like dustbins. It's like saying, bye bye water, see you never again.
Exactly, Sunita. And don't forget groundwater. We keep digging bore wells deeper and deeper, as if water is hiding from us. Soon we will be drilling till Australia. That's why rainwater harvesting is so important.
And agriculture too. Farmers often flood their entire fields when plants only need a sip. Drip irrigation is smarter. It's like giving plants a straw instead of a bathtub. So, save water makes crops happy.
Another problem is pollution. Factories release chemicals, people dump plastic, and suddenly our river looks like giant balls of soup. And then we complain, why is our water looking dirty? It's because we made it.
True. I once saw people washing clothes in a river that already looked like a washing machine full of mud. That's not cleaning clothes, it's repolluting them. Industries need strict laws to treat water waste.
And cities aren't any better. In some areas, leaking pipes waste thousands of liters daily. It's like filling a bucket with holes and hoping it stays full. Infrastructure needs fixing too.
Yes, but individual cares matters most. People think one leaking tap is no big deal, but one drop every second wastes 20 liters a day. That's enough for someone's drinking needs.
And what about bottled water? We waste water making those bottles and then throwing them away to pollute more water. Double damage. Reusable bottles are way cooler.
So what solutions can we adopt? According to me, reviving traditional methods is a key. Like old step wells, ponds, tanks were brilliant ideas. And our ancestors managed water without Instagram posts.
True. And at home we can reuse water. For example, water from washing vegetables can be used in plants. Arrow wastewater can be used for cleaning floors. Why pour it all down the drain?
Also awareness campaigns, but instead of boring posters, let's make fun ones. Like save water or your shampoo will stay in your hair forever. Trust me, people will listen.
Good one, Ayushman. And schools should make water conservation a daily habit. Simple practices like checking taps after class or competitions to save maximum water can build responsibility from childhood.
Yes, and for farmers, the government should provide subsidies for drip irrigation and training workshops. If farming becomes water smart, half the problem is solved.
But awareness isn't alone enough. Many people nod their heads in meeting and then waste water at home. Responsibility is more important than big talks.
True, even in families, people say don't waste water, while they themselves take half an hour showers. We must practice what we preach.
And let's be real, who needs a 20-minute shower? You are not shooting a shampoo ad. 2 buckets are enough. Save the drama for social media, not the bath.
Exactly. Even small things count. Turning off taps, using a mug instead of a pipe to wash bikes, or reporting leaks to authorities, all these save water daily.
And community efforts matter. If an entire neighborhood collects rainwater, it can reduce tanks dependence. Teamwork always work better than blaming each other.
So in short, water is limited and we are wasting it like unlimited cola. That's really very dangerous. Sustainability means using it wisely and keeping it clean.
Yes, otherwise one day fights won't be over cricket and politics, but over a single bucket of water. That's a future none of us want.
I can already imagine Water War Part 1 trending in 2050. Let's prevent that movie by happening today.
So, let's harvest rain, recycle, save, and spread awareness. Every drop counts. And together we can make a flood of change.
Well said, everyone. To end, I'll just say don't treat water like Wi Fi. It won't come back with a recharge back. Save it now or regret later.